Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL smart TV. This is the TCL TV with Android TV. So first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in a pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. You'll know that it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. However, I get a solid green light here. Mine will just turn off. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode for myself. There's a button back here. You want to press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So press and hold, ready to go. Oops, let me do it again. Ready. Press and hold. Now keep holding for like 5 or 6 seconds, or just wait until it blinks blue, blue. Still holding. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's try to shoot over to the TV. Go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button in the remote, you can navigate that way. If not, you can just go to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote and then navigate to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So let me go up and then all the way over to the right. Right there, select that. And now from here we want to go down to remotes and accessories. Let's select that. And then we want to select add accessory. And then we're going to go to OK on here because it's already in discoverable mode, basically pairing mode. So OK. Now searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 35 feet Bluetooth range. And it did find the LinkBuds right there. It's highlighted. OK on the remote. It's pairing. Get a pairing request right here. It's on pair. Let's go ahead and select that. And voila, you can see that we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these earbuds, you can always do a factory reset. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.